Hello guys, and we are back. We are playing Escape the Car Wash Obby. As you can see, this game is quite fun because it has 412 people playing it. So let's just join the game.
You quit again?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay. The manager of the car wash has gone mad. Get past this flooded gift shop. You won't get away so easily. Ha ha
I
ha.
just want to do the hello guys.
Okay,
So
so
my brother's
no
playing.
deaths. No deaths here. Okay. So far so good.
Oh shoot. Everything I need.
Okay, so
Pikachu,
yeah.
Pikachu.
Okay, so now we are jumping over. We are jumping over here. I think these are water, slippery water.
Oh no, Pikachu again.
This is so easy.
Yep.
Quickly into the sewers. Uh
Oh
oh,
my god, guys.
I'm
Oh,
stuck.
we got hit. Oh, I thought I was.
Okay, here we go.
Escape the.
Oh, PU, this is so smelly.
Escape
Because you have to step on these guys.
Escape the.
Okay, so why is there trash cans and tissues? Excuse me, guys. Okay, so
In the other video, we got eaten by the.
no, ouch! I just carelessly jumped to the wrong position. This is so easy.
Oh, I thought I died.
Okay, ouch! I died again.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I died again.
Oh, there's 20 stages. Are you? I thought this is it.
Okay, I'm not gonna jump now. Excuse me,
Watch
bird
out
lover.
for all
Ouch!
these
See,
birds.
you killed me. Actually, she didn't. I just fell down.
Looks like cement.
Okay. So now. Okay. Okay. So we're doing. Oh no, we're getting eaten again. We are stuck inside someone's mouth. Oh no, we got eaten again. Find a way out. Okay, so this is quite easy. And I have 3 deaths, I think. So 3 deaths, I think. I think I have out. Okay, now I have 4.
Oh my god! Jumping on right now.
Why did I press that? Pizza? Why no a pizza? Can I just stay here and eat the pizza? Oh yeah.
Good progress. Shoot!
Okay, so I just walked past by and nearly died. Okay, I'm going up now. I'm at 10. Okay, what the poop? Ouch! His digestive system. Yucks. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Ooh.
Right there!
Okay, yes, we made it, guys.
Oh my! Oh!
Well, I think it's until level 20. Watch out for all these bird poop. Bird poop? This looks like wet paint. Wow. Okay. As you can see, my brother is playing this game. Okay, so he's already ahead of me. And I'm just way far behind. Be careful not to get shocked. Ah! Okay, so we are owning this. Now we only have 4 deaths. Okay, whoa. Okay, whoa. This is so scary. Okay, so on the rooftop. The air vent looks promising. Oh, it does. No! Where am I going? Oh, wait.
I think we're almost done.
Subscribe to Sunbird. Don't touch the oil. Okay, I won't touch the oil.
Yay, we are done.
Okay, we're back at the first part. Oh, wait. I think I can see my brother. The trick is to keep jumping. Oh, okay, I am jumping. Yes,
look at me.
I can do this. My brother's all the way back there. Yes, I'm almost done. That's not
Thank you
dying.
for watching, and we are going to play Organic Pizza. Please watch this video and watch that video now.
Okay. No, I just walked through. I forgot to jump.
Live. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and please like
I forgot.
the button and leave a comment down below which obby should we do again. So yeah,
Okay.
peace out.
So, guys, I'm almost done, and we are almost done. Just one more stage. This easy stage. Yes, thank you guys. We have finished. We escaped the car wash obby award. Yes, we got an award. Thank you, Soundworks. So, guys, there's other games here. If you want to play it, go ahead. So, guys, thank you for watching. So, please subscribe and like to our channel. So, yeah. So, peace out. So,